Alright, so just to refresh or recap on what we talked about, what you did last night, using the major scale to figure out the different chords. So like with the A major chord, you got to start on an A note. And you go 1, 2, 3, and then you put down what that third note is. So you start with A, then the next note is the C sharp, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You land on the E, so A, C sharp, and E. Those three notes are what made the major chord. Well, let's say you want to make it A minor. So still start on the A, you go up 1, 2, 3, then flat that third, which gives you C, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So E again. So A, C, and E make it a minor. If you wanted to make an A diminished, still start with the major scale, so this way you continue to visualize flatting things. It's very important just to really drill the idea home. So, obviously, A. You go 1, 2, 3, flat that, get you C, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flat that, that gets you E flat. So A, C, E flat, that gets you the A diminished. Let's do one more example. So let's say, well, maybe a couple. So if you do G minor, so you start with the G note, go 1, 2, 3, flat it, which gets you B flat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gets you D. So G, B flat, and D make the G minor. Let's do a diminished one now. So let's say we're going to do C diminished. And go start on C and go 1, 2, 3, flat that, which gets you E flat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flat that, which gets you G flat. So C, E flat, G flat. That's a C diminished. So remember, you're always going to have, you're skipping every other note name. Always. Always, always, always. You're skipping every other note name with this stuff. Regardless of sharps or flats, you are skipping every other note name. And because the minor and diminished triads are found within the major scale, you will never have sharps and flats be mixed within the same chord. So that's why you have A, C sharp, and E instead of A, D flat, and E for an A major chord. So keep that in mind. If you end up seeing, within your three notes that when you're spelling out a chord, if you have a sharp and a flat in there, in any of the minor or diminished ones, something went wrong. So always skip every other note name. And yeah, if you attempt to do that A sharp major, just remember, you just look at what's on the A major chord and you just sharp everything. Sharp whatever's there. Yeah, so if you want, send your answers over early and I'll let you know what's good. If you want to try the augmented, go ahead and do that too. Same idea though, you just go 1 and then 1, 2, 3. And write down what that third note is as well, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then sharp the 5, and write down what that sharpened note is. So the augmented triad, though, there's different things that happen because the augmented triad is not found in a major scale. You're still going to skip every other note, but the rule about how things go when stuff is found in the major scale, it doesn't apply to augmented chords because they're not found in a major scale. So hopefully that didn't confuse you too much. So if you want to leave augmenteds alone for now and just wait till next time, that's fine. Do what you feel comfortable doing, and we'll definitely get all of it done eventually. Alright, I'm about to sneeze, so I'm going to end the video. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions.